You just ate lunch an hour ago. You're sitting in a quiet meeting, completely full, and your stomach lets out a growl so loud the person next to you turns their head. You're not hungry. You didn't skip a meal. So why does your body insist on making that sound anyway? The answer has almost nothing to do with hunger, and everything to do with a cleanup crew working inside you right now, whether you're hungry or not. For a long time, that growling sound, technically called borborygmi, was assumed to simply mean an empty stomach demanding food. That explanation makes sense on the surface, but it completely falls apart the moment you notice how often the noise shows up when your stomach is anything but empty. Gastroenterologist Dr. Braden Kuo, who has researched digestive motility, points to a process most people have never heard of, called the migrating motor complex. Roughly every 90 minutes to 2 hours, whether or not there's food in your digestive system, your gut runs a scheduled maintenance sweep. Strong, rhythmic muscle contractions move down through your stomach and small intestine, pushing out leftover food particles, bacteria, and debris that regular digestion left behind. Think of it less like a hunger alarm and more like a factory running an automated cleaning cycle between shifts. Whether or not there's anyone around to see it, that sweeping motion pushes air and fluid through your digestive tract, and that movement is exactly what creates the growling sound. It has nothing to do with whether you're hungry. It has everything to do with your gut performing scheduled maintenance on a timer that runs constantly, all day and all night. Whether you're eating, working, or fast asleep, here's where it gets stranger. This cleanup cycle only fully activates when your stomach is relatively empty. The moment you eat something, even a small snack, the migrating motor complex pauses so your body can focus entirely on digesting that new food. That's exactly why the loudest growls tend to show up between meals, hours after your last bite, once digestion has wrapped up and the maintenance sweep gets to switch back on. So the sound isn't announcing hunger. It's confirming that a completely different process, one your body runs constantly regardless of your schedule, just kicked back into gear. Researchers studying gut function have found this cleaning mechanism does more than tidy up leftover debris. It also helps prevent small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, a condition where bacteria that should stay lower in your digestive tract creep upward and multiply where they shouldn't. Without regular sweeping, that bacterial buildup becomes far more likely. In other words, that awkward growl in a silent meeting is a sign. Your gut is actively protecting you from a much bigger problem happening behind the scenes. There's an even stranger layer to this. The migrating motor complex isn't controlled by your stomach alone. It's coordinated by your enteric nervous system, a dense web of neurons lining your gut so extensive that some scientists call it a second brain. That network triggers a full cleaning cycle on its own schedule, independent of whether you actually feel hungry. Which means every time your stomach growls at an inconvenient moment, your gut isn't asking for food. It's simply doing its job on a fixed timer, sweeping through your digestive system the same way it has been quietly doing every 90 minutes since long before you finished your last meal. This also explains something people notice but rarely question: why the growling seems louder during long stretches of focused work or a quiet meeting. It's not that your body chose the worst possible moment on purpose. It's that silence makes everything more audible. The sweep was likely going to happen regardless. You just happened to be sitting somewhere quiet enough to actually hear it. There's also a reason the sound can seem almost theatrical, far louder than you'd expect from something as ordinary as digestion. Your digestive tract is essentially a long, flexible tube, and air moving through a tube of shifting width naturally creates resonance, amplifying a quiet internal process into something audible several feet away. Understanding this system also reframes how you might think about snacking. If frequent, light snacking interrupts the migrating motor complex before it finishes a full sweep, your body may never get the chance to complete that maintenance cycle properly. Some gastroenterologists suggest longer gaps between meals may support healthier gut maintenance, not because your stomach needs to feel empty, but because your gut needs uninterrupted time to finish the job it already started. So the next time your stomach announces itself in the middle of a silent room, You don't need to explain that you already ate. Your body already knows that. It was never asking for lunch. It was just taking out the trash.